So I haven't done a video in a while, so just wanted to kind of post an update. Got the truck here, Victoria, Texas. Done a couple of work to some of these other pieces. Motor inside. Got the axles in, fixing to start getting the ladder bars off of those. Truck's actually in pretty good shape now that it's sewed up. Pretty clean body. Start pulling the doors and accessories off of that here this week. Try to get this body off of the frame. That's the bed. Bottom of the truck. Frame's in really good condition if anybody's looking for one. We do have a transmission in here. Standard transmission. And a transfer case.
I have an update on the Texas toy frame. Finishing, taking it apart. Gonna weld up some stuff they forgot to weld up in the 70s. Put our plates back in where we had notched out the frame to remove the engine and transmission.